Okay, so this is a video on how to have that integrated. So let's quickly head over to settings. Let's go to integrations and let's click on add integrations for Fireflies AI. So once we are here, what we have to do is we have to go over to Fireflies account. I already just opened that up. Once here, we just come right down here, click on settings. Then we scroll somewhere here and then click on developer settings. Great. So right here, we'll have to copy our API key. Okay, we'll head back over to account. We'll have that pasted here. And then we'll have to copy this webhook URL, copied. Head back here. Okay, let me paste that here. Let's just toggle this on. And then the client secret, let's generate one. Great. Now let's copy the client secret. We're going to head back over to accounts, and then we're just going to put this right inside here. And then we're going to click on save integration. Once that is done, then we're going to see that it's connected right over here. This is actually where you're going to find the transcripts after maybe, let's say, you've had a call with Fireflies. So you just come over here to integrations and you're going to see everything. Let's just click here on view transcripts. And so here you're going to see all the transcripts of all the calls you have actually processed.